All right, we are back. We are back, arrive and drive. Everyone, we are back and we are in the FD. Yes, we are. No Miata today. Just a nice day for the FD. Take it out for a nice ride. It's a nice day. It's Florida and we are having a great time in this car like always. We've done a few we've gone and done a few different things to the car. We adjusted the suspension. The suspension was way off. If you saw the video of me wrestling it, when I say wrestling, I'm wrestling it around the autocross. The back end was sliding everywhere. My hands were going crazy. I mean, it didn't help that the tires were old. These old Yokohamas, they're from 2011. The front are from 2018. Let me tell you, it was a handful. Even the guy that was riding with me, the instructor, he was like, this thing is gonna be a handful. Matter of fact, he said it with the most Florida country accent you can imagine.
This will be a handful.
Currently at the light, I just want to see what type of traction we have. I know I struggled with traction before. I made some adjustments. I'm just curious how it goes. Let's go.